Congratulations on your purchase. Hi, I'm Sammy Sinatra with Sirius Signal. In this video, we will be going over the emergency equipment included in your paddlecraft, jet ski, and watercraft safety dry bag. On the outside of the dry bag, you will find a detachable waterproof phone case with lanyard. Inside, you will find a laminated operation card for your SOS, EVDSD, and a watercraft identification sticker. The essential items found in your Sirius Signal Safety Kit are the single color, all white, plus infrared SOS, EVDSD model C-1004. To operate, twist optic clockwise until light flashes. To turn off, twist optic counterclockwise until light stops flashing. Next, the Sirius Signal F1 CR123 waterproof floating flashlight, a daylight signal mirror, visual daytime distress flag, 12 feet of paracord, first aid medical kit, whistle, and a liquid-filled compass. The distress flag is approved for daytime distress signaling. The whistle is effective day or night. For additional operational and care instructions, read the laminated insert card. Information on the Afloat Plan Home app is provided on the back of the laminated card. Product registration and full documentation are available at SiriusSignal.com. Thank you, USA, first in quality.